According to the UAE Federal Decree-Law No. 47 of 2022 on taxation of corporations and businesses, the Corporate Tax Law, businesses will become subject to UAE corporate tax from the beginning of their first financial year that starts on or after the 1st of June 2023. 1. What is corporate tax in UAE? Corporate tax is a form of direct tax levied on the net income or profit of corporations and other business entities. It is also commonly known as corporate income tax or business profits tax. In simple words, it is a tax levied on the net profit made by the businesses. It requires companies to pay a certain percentage of profit as tax. 2. Who should pay corporate tax in the UAE? All the businesses whose taxable profit, net, is more than 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams fall under the purview of corporate tax and are required to pay a certain percentage of net profit as corporate tax. 3. What is the rate of corporate tax in the UAE? The corporate tax rate is at 9% of the net profit made by the businesses. In order to extend support to small businesses and startups, the corporate tax rate will be 0% if the net profit is up to 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. 4. What is the date of implementing the federal corporate tax in UAE? The date of implementing the corporate tax is effective from the financial year starting on or after the 1st of June 2023. 5. When will the corporate tax law be released by the authorities? The authorities already released the corporate tax law on the 9th of December 2022. To download the UAE Corporate Tax Law, mention the link in the description. 6. What are the businesses or incomes that are outside the scope of corporate tax? Given the profit threshold of 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, all businesses that exceed the threshold have to pay the corporate tax. However, certain types of business or income are exempt from corporate tax. List of companies or income exempt from corporate tax. Individuals will not be subject to corporate tax. As a result, any income from employment, real estate, investments in shares, and other personal income unrelated to a trade or business in the UAE will be exempt from corporate tax. Not applicable to foreign investors who do not carry on business in UAE. Corporate tax incentives are currently being offered to free zone businesses that comply with all regulatory requirements will continue. Capital gains and dividends received by UAE businesses from its qualifying shareholdings are exempt from corporate tax. Not applicable on qualifying intragroup transactions and restructurings. How is corporate tax in UAE calculated? 7. In other words, the net profit up to 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams is taxed at 0%. The 9% corporate tax will be levied only if the taxable net profit exceeds 375,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Corporate tax in UAE is calculated at 9% of the net profit shown in the company's financial statements. For example, if the net profit is 475,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, the corporate tax will be 9,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, 475,000 to 375,000 by 9/100ths. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.